Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create double exposure video editing using Inshot video editor. Okay, after you have prepared your video, you can go to the Inshot video editor app and we're going to create new project. So we can click on video and then select new, and then you can choose a video you want to create double exposure editing. And for example, I'm just going to choose a video from my download album or download folder. Okay, for instance, I'm going to select this video. I'm going to create double exposure editing using this one, and I'm going to add the video to the project, and then I'm going to remove the background of this video. We can go to the cutout option and then select the cutout, and the background will be removed automatically. But now it's still loading. We need to wait until 100%. Okay, you can monitor the progress here, and it's already 60%. Okay, almost done. And after that, we're going to change the background to white. I'm gonna go to the background and then we can click on white, and I'm going to adjust the position like this. And now it's time to save this video. We can click on export again, and after this we can create new project. Okay, hold on. And then I'm going to click on create new, and we can import the video we have just saved. Alright, and then you can add the second video. I'm gonna go to the PIP, and for the second video I'm just going to choose for instance, I'm going to choose from my Telegram folder. Okay, this one. We can click on this icon to fit the screen, and we're going to blend the videos. I'm gonna click on the blend, and then we can choose lion or screen or dodge. Okay, and I'm just going to choose screen. Okay, and this is the result. And as you can see that the double exposure editing has been created. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.